Yeah, good day, guys. This is your boy Chibuzo Agwan. You're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. This a review segment of my channel, of which actually we shall be looking at the Redmi Note 10 5G. I told you guys that I just ordered, and it just arrived in Nigeria. So, but I'm basically going to be doing an unboxing for each and every one of us to see what is inside. And hey, the seller actually gave me a free gift. It came with this adapter. Yes, I purchased this phone from AliExpress. It's not yet available in Nigeria. That's the 5G version. The 10 5G is not yet available in Nigeria, but I need it as soon as possible. So that's the reason why I ordered it from AliExpress. Everyone in this channel actually knows that I'm an AliExpress shopper, and I actually got this phone from there. So let's see what is inside. You can see I just tore the nylon off. This is nylon that covered it. This is just a package where they just this is just what they use covering it so that it wouldn't get damaged. So let's see what is inside actually. I'm actually trying to see. Let me open the box. I've not seen what is inside. If they actually placed another phone, I can really tell. Okay, it's open. So this is the normal first pack. Let's see. Okay, there's a phone. Redmi Note 10 5G, just like I told you. Let's see what is inside here. Okay, this should be where. Okay, yes, there's a pin. Just remove the SIM tray. Okay, these are just documentations. Okay, the plastic back cover. Yes, if you want to cover the phone documentation, I have to go through them later on. So let's see the phone itself. Let's see what is inside. Okay, I have to pop it up. Still perfectly sealed. As you can see, it's a beauty to behold actually. Oh, bothered. Oh my, oh my. Okay, this is the phone itself. I'll be giving you a rundown of the key specs of this phone, of which I know from beforehand, before I actually bought the phone. So let's see what is still inside here. Okay, it's just the USB cable and the charger itself. Okay, I didn't order for a headset because I have lots of them. I actually have an earbud. Yes, there's an earbud. So that is what's left there. So this phone itself, let's see if it will come up. I'm trying to power it up. Okay, yes, the phone is up. Xiaomi Redmi. Yeah. So actually, the Redmi Note 10 5G, just like I told you, is a 5G phone. Yes, you can see, just pop up immediately. I said it. It's a 5G phone, and it came. Okay, still loading. And it came with the latest MIUI version, which is MIUI 12, as you can see. So it's a 5G phone, and though we don't have 5G yet in Nigeria, so I'm preparing beforehand. That's the reason why I have to purchase this phone, just like I told you. So if you look at the display is a 6.5-inch display, yes, and you can see the on the front-facing camera, just like punch hole, and at the side you have the volume up and the volume down button, and also the it seems the power button also serves as the fingerprint sensor, because the fingerprint sensor is side mounted by the side, and that's what you can see there. So now this display is a 5G phone. I actually bought the 64 gigabytes 4 GB RAM, that storage, and the 4 GB RAM version, and that's the phone I'm holding right here, and that's the version I'm actually holding right here. So now in case let me just pass information in case you have in mind of buying this very phone. This version, or this phone itself, is a hybrid SIM, in the sense that if you want to make use of two SIM, you have to ditch your SIM card. Yes, that's external storage expansion. So which means that if you want to make use of a SIM card, a micro SD card, a micro SD card, you have to make use of just one SIM. But if you choose to use dual SIM, that means you wouldn't use an SD card. And in the forthcoming video, I'll be showing you how you can actually place your two SIM cards so that you use it in case that's what you have in mind and you don't want to use an external storage or a micro SD card. So now moving to the back, as you can see. At the back, I like the camera setup. It's a beauty to behold. I'm trying to, let me see if I can zoom it a bit for you to see. As you can see, it came with a 42 megapixel main camera, then supported by 2 megapixel and another for maybe for depth sensor and another 2 megapixel. So that's what you have at the back. Then the front facing camera is actually an 8 megapixel camera. So inside, the phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. At least that is quite is quite enough. Yes, you can make use of that for days, depending on your usage actually. So you can make use of that for days. 5000 mAh battery is actually perfect. Then what again are we trying to look at? The battery is also is non-detachable. Yes, it is inside, you can detach it, so just like most other Android phone you find out there. So what next key features in this phone? For 2 megapixel camera, and the phone itself is quite light to behold. It seems to say it weighs 5 kg, but it's quite light. Or maybe once I place this back cover, I'm sure it will look a little bit heavier than what I'm seeing right now. So that is more or less what you find about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. Remember, it's the Redmi Note 10 5G version, which is not yet in Nigeria. The price actually, but I bought it in dollars. Converting it to naira, it's quite cheaper because I bought it during the AliExpress November 11 promo. It's quite cheap. Then if you want to buy this device in Nigeria, I'm quite sure you will have to get it up to 100,000 naira for this very version I'm holding, the 64 gigabyte ROM and 4 gigabyte RAM version. So that is more or less what I'll be showing you about the Redmi Note 10 5G. It's not yet in Nigeria, just like I said. If you want to order it from AliExpress, you can go ahead and buy it, and you get it within the stipulated time they told you. Like actually, they told me my phone will actually arrive on December 18th, and today's date is 17th, if I'm not mistaken. And I have my phone right here in my palm, all the way from well packaged and all the way from AliExpress. So that's more or less an unboxing video of the Redmi Note 10 5G. So if you have a questions, you can go to the comment section and ask a question. So if you know the price in Nigeria, that is in Nigerian naira, you can also tell us in the comment section. And if you like this video, I'd like you to hit the thumbs up button, and also, like I said, lay your comments. I would like to receive your views concerning this phone, if it is worth it, if it is worth the amount, or if it is worth the price, because I know Redmi phones are quite cool. I've been making use of Redmi phones for some time, and that's the reason why I said let me buy it once again. So that is more or less the key specs or the key features you should be expecting once you purchase the Redmi Note 10 5G version. Probably next year. I know we're going to have 5G in Nigeria, so that's the reason why I'm preparing beforehand. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this channel, or if you want to be part of this channel, I indulge you to hit the subscribe button, that red button just below this video that you're watching that had the inscription subscribe written on the top of it. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, so that again notified whenever I release similar video just like this. This is just a review segment of my channel. In this channel is basically dedicated to technology, and we teach people how to do so many things, and also how to make money online. So if you want to be part of the channel, hit the subscribe button and automatically you are family. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzagwa remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. So anticipate for my next video as I prepare. So bye bye for now.